A stroll to the pavilion at the new Itabashi Garden in Burlington is a calming experience. The curves and placements of plants reveal new vistas along the way. The garden, designed by landscape architect Virginia Burt, is less than a year old, yet feels like it has always belonged here, nestled behind the Tansley Woods Community Center. The garden celebrates the twinning 30 years ago of the city of Burlington and Itabashi, Japan. Blended in with the many Japanese maples and unusual evergreens, Burt has included our own Canadian plants and local materials such as stone to honor the bond between the two cities. Burt worked with environmental design group of Kilbride in the building of the garden. In this lovely space, there are many things for the home gardener to ponder: the subtle placement of stone, the changes in level, and careful framing of views so they are not revealed all at once. And of course, the Japanese garden design foundation of using the borrowed landscape as part of your own space. The Itabashi Garden officially opens July 1, but it is already there for all to see and discover how shape, texture, and foliage can forge a garden of deep beauty. I'm Kathy Renwald for thespec.com.